Hello, welcome to this tutorial on how to copy, install, setup and use ScripTweet tool. ScripTweet tool allows you to use a Google spreadsheet to tweet from the Google spreadsheet. Okay, you would get an email like this which says ScripTweet, a release number there, date, and so on, and the email would say please create your own copy by clicking on the following link. So I would click that, opens a new tab, and it says copy document. Would you like to make a copy of ScripTweet? I want to, so I would hit this blue button, make a copy. I need to wait a few seconds for it to actually make a copy on the Google's servers, and it opens a new window here. It says, sorry, but we would not work without your authorization. Welcome to ScripTweet. The ScripTweet app lets you send tweets from a Google spreadsheet. You seem to have opened this ScripTweet tool for the first time. Please run the ScripTweet authorization process from the custom menu above. You may close this window, message window, it says. So where is this script authorization process? How to run it? Okay, it says custom menu, so there must be a custom menu here. Yes, this one. So let me close this message away. I need to click on that and authorize this app. I need to select that option. It says this message is from Google. Authorization required. This app needs authorization to run. Click on continue. It pops up another window which gives me further details about what all this ScripTweet needs authorization for. It needs authorization for viewing and managing your spreadsheet in Google Drive. Yes, obviously, I created a spreadsheet now using the tool. Would need to this message is saying the ScripTweet tool would need to have access to the spreadsheet. Yes, and the spreadsheet is in Google Drive, so both are understandable. And the tool is going to manage Google URL shortener tool. So that's what it is saying. This tool would be able to view and manage data associated with the application. Yes, understandable. And allow this application to run when you are not present. That is the whole idea of this ScripTweet tool. The tool is supposed to run on Google servers when you are not required to keep on monitoring it all the time. So that's the whole idea. So allow this application to run when you are not present. Yes. And connect to an external service. Yes, Twitter is an external service as far as Google is concerned. So these are the warnings. It says this tool is going to use all of that, and I would hit this, allow. Okay, it says, gives me a confirmation, script authorization success, and this is for the version 2.5.1.2, release date Friday, October 9th, 2015, This app was released at 9:14 hours 9 seconds, and the time zone was GMT +1, which is British summertime. So this message now says engineering menu would soon be activated. You would need to select the help me setup option from the engineering menu. So you would need to select the help me setup option from the engineering menu. That is the instructions that we need to remember. General help about this tool is available under the ScripTweet menu, support and customization option. And please close this message window by using the button below and then refresh browser. So there are two things we need to remember. One, in the engineering menu, we need to select this option, help me setup, and we need to do that after refreshing the browser. Okay, now Wake encourages you to share this ScripTweet tool with your friends. The URL for sharing this ScripTweet tool is here. It's here. You can copy and paste the entire URL shown below into an email. You can copy this entire thing, copy it into an email, share it with your friends. You can do that. So right now I'm going to close this message window and hit refresh for the browser, and then the engineering menu would appear. Okay, let's close this. Hit refresh. Okay, engineering menu appears, and here it says engineering menu enabled. Follow instructions from engineer. Okay, engineering menu enabled. So I need to click that, and it said use the help me setup option, which is here. Click on that. This option is to connecting this tool with Twitter, enabling Twitter connectivity, authentication, etc. So this project has this ID, that's for your information, and these are the guidelines. So it says go to Twitter's developer dashboard by opening the following link in a new tab. You would need to keep switching tabs between the new tab that gets created and this, what you're seeing here. So this is the URL. It says here, opening the following link. I right click on it, right click, open link in new tab. Let's open a new link. Okay. So this is my Twitter account. I have logged in already using my Twitter password. I need to hit create new app. Okay. Let me give it a name. What does it say about the name? It says give a name for the app which is closer to the brand identity you are trying to establish using this ScripTweet tool. Okay, so I need to give it a name which is closer to the brand name. Okay, that is the brand name I wish to promote using this tool. So that I need to copy that here. Okay, now The website URL is another opportunity to establish that brand identity. So give appropriate website URL here. Website URL. You need to give a description. Okay, that is the description. Website, you would need to give your website. I'm keying in my website. Okay, that was that point there. Now, for the callback URL, copy and paste the following URL without the spaces and quotes. That is this one here. I need to copy that bit. Copy that. Control C on a Windows machine. Copy that. Go to this tab. Paste it here. Callback URL. Paste it. And come back here. Let's see what does it say next. You may or may not lock down the callback URL. It does not seem to have much effect. I think they have changed the Twitter have changed the screen slightly, so probably you will not see this. You would need to read and agree to the Twitter's terms of service and create the app. Okay, that is the agreement. This is the agreement with Twitter. I agree to the terms. You can read it at leisure. I'm going to say yes, I agree, and create Twitter application. Your application has been created. Please take a moment to review and adjust your application's settings. Okay. I will need to make this even more deeper. Modify app permissions. Read, write, and access direct messages. Update settings. Okay. I can change the icon if I want. Okay, that's that part. You need to create access token for the app you just created. Click the generate an access token link button to connect ScripTweet with Twitter app. And you need to make sure you key in the right values, otherwise this tool would fail to authenticate you. So you need to follow the next few steps very carefully. Okay. We need the access keys and secrets. There are 4 of them. Here. Keys and secrets. Keys and access tokens. Okay. Create access tokens. So it has created, successfully generated. Okay. So these are the 4 things: consumer key secret, access token secret. These are the 4 things that I would need. Okay. Come back here. It says you would need to copy the consumer key here. Okay. Okay, I would need to copy and paste the consumer key, which is this here. Copy that, paste it there. Consumer secret, which is this one. Copy that, paste it here. I need to get rid of extra space, etc. Returns, extra space, whatever. Okay. Access token. Access token secret, which is here. Access token secret. Okay, that is done. Now it says click save button to save keys and secrets. Save button, green. Saving data, please wait. Keys and secrets saved. You can close this window and proceed to authorize Twitter. Close this. I need to authorize Twitter now. I need to go back to engineering menu. Authorize Twitter. Second option under engineering menu. I did that earlier. Now I am going to do this. Authorize Twitter. I need to hit this green button. It says click the authorize button to connect your Twitter account to the Google spreadsheet. Okay. So this is the app that I created. VL Bindur tweets. I would need to hit this button. What does this app able to do? It's able to read tweets from my timeline. It's able to see who I follow and follow new people if required. Update my profile, post tweets for me. That's what I need to do. And access direct messages. So it would be able to do all of that. It will not be able to see my password. So I would hit this blue button, authorize app. Okay, it says success. Your Twitter app is now connected with ScripTweet. Please close this window. I need to close this. So that is done now. That is actually end of part 1.